students, welcome to the virtual learning session of Raval Convent School. Today's topic is electronic media. Print media we had already discussed in our previous video. Let's begin. In this module, we will study what is electronic media, types of electronic media such as radio, television, internet. What is electronic media? Electronic media is a media that one can share on any electronic device. It is broadcasted to the wider community. Electronic media is enjoying broader use every day with increase of electronic devices being made. The meaning of electronic media as it is known in various spheres has changed with the passage of time. Electronic media exists today in many forms like such as radio, television, internet, computer and so on. The earliest form of electronic media was telegraph in 1795. The telephone came in 1849, followed by the radio in 1897 and the internet in 1963. The main type of electronic media are radio, television, telephone, internet, advertising. Radio provides sound and the television provides sound, visual and motion which can be very attractive to the viewers. The inception of smartphone is new addition to the electronic media which in addition to sound and visuals provide a text option as well. There are more and more channels for electronic media that come out as our technology grows and expands. Now, the radio. The radio is the oldest form of electronic media. There are thousands of radio stations across the world and advertisements are frequent features on most of these. It is the first form of spoken advertisement. Radio advertising is a cost-effective medium and changes to the advertisements can be made more easily than TV. However, it lacks the visual impact. Radio can be accessed in car, at work, at play. People can take it with them wherever they go. It is uncluttered. What it means by uncluttered? Uncluttered medium of advertising. Uncluttered means not containing too many small details, not surrounded by other advertisements or columns of text or news. It appeals to emotion and sells with intimacy. The advertisement can be on radio station that match with the interest of audience. You know that Guglielmo Marconi was an inventor of radio and he won Nobel Prize for contribution to the development of wireless telegraphy in 1909. Television. Television is very effective in generating feelings and illustrating action and behaviors and not so strong in communicating specific facts. Television provides with the highest volume of electronic media advertising. There are hundreds of advertisements shown on each channel per day and some slots are sold for millions to the advertiser as they large impact in short time. Television is the most popular medium for companies to advertise, but it is expensive to produce and place TV ads. You know that John Logie Baird transmitted the first television picture in 1925 and high definition TV actually started in 1936. Clear? Telephone. Telephone advertising or telemarketing is traditionally a method of direct marketing in which a salesman asks prospective customers to buy products or services, either over the phone. It can be viewed both as a marketing medium and a response mechanism. The rise of smartphones, apps, mobile, internet access has made the phone a key medium to seek customers' attention. However, are often seen as an unwelcome interruption. Therefore, prospective customers are difficult to convert into buyers. While it is flexible and cost-effective medium of electronic advertising, it could be an intrusive medium and requires highly trained operators who are very familiar with the product or service they are selling and sensitive to user needs and mood. You know that the first phone call was between Alexander Graham Bell and his assistant Thomas Watson. The first phone book was only 20 pages long. The Internet. The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard Internet Protocol suite, often called TCP/IP, although not all applications use TCP to serve billions of users worldwide. Internet services. The all-rounded multimedia use for entertainment, spreading awareness, spreading knowledge, advertising, and so on. Can be used to communicate all over the world. Can be cheap or expensive. Covers blogs, videos, ad, extra. The most used medium of mass media. Fastest way to communicate. China. China has treatment camps for internet addicts. About 30,000 websites are hacked every day. Internet sends approximately 204 million emails per minute. Now, some advantages and disadvantages of electronic media. First, advantages. Immediacy, it provides information and entertainment, create awareness among people, develops thoughts and idea, keep us in touch with what is happening in our society, made communication easier, connect diverse people from far and near geographical location. And some disadvantages include noise pollution, decision making problem, laziness occur in youth by misuse of e-devices, eyesight problem, exposure to radiation which is very harmful to our body. So these are our advantages and disadvantages of electronic media. If you see this, that 57% people are using internet and 67% people are using are mobile users. Clear? In conclusion, the term electronic media is often used in contrast with print media. When a story breaks, electronic media can report it quickly. Online and electronic media can also provide moving pictures and sound, eco-friendly and don't waste paper. It can be accessed anywhere with a computer instead of just on doorstep. In the end, I would like to say that the new electronic independence recreates the world in the image of a global village. Thank you.